Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to sign up or create an account on PayPal. If you want to sign up or create an account on PayPal and start sending and receiving money for goods, services and more securely, then keep watching the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. If you'd like to sign up for a PayPal account, start by opening up a web browser on your computer. You can also do this on your mobile devices with the PayPal application. In the address bar at the top, type in www.paypal.com and press enter. From the official website of PayPal, if you already have an account, you can click on this login link at the top right. Follow the instructions in order to log into your account, but if you don't have an account yet and you'd like to create one, click on sign up at the top right corner. On the next page, you can go ahead and choose the account type that you'd like to create. If you'd like to create an account for yourself, click on the personal account option, but if you'd like to open up PayPal for your business, then click on the second option. Since I'm doing this for my own, I'm gonna choose this first option and click on the next button. Now, select your country or your region from the drop down. Once you do that, click Get Started. Type in a mobile number that you'd like to register with PayPal. Make sure that you have the access to the number and click on Next. Wait for a verification code to be sent to your mobile number that you just typed in. Once you receive the code, type it in into the text boxes. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the next step. Now, here you'll need to set up your profile. So enter your information into the text boxes. First, start off by typing in an email address. While typing in an email address, make sure that it is the email address that you have an access to, since you'll be using this email in order to receive money. Now, into the first name text box, type in your first name. If available, type in the middle name on the next, and then type in the last name. Now create a password that you'd like to use for your account. Into the create your password text box, type it in correct, and then confirm your password by typing it again into the next text box. Make sure to repeat the same password that you just created. If both of the passwords into the text boxes matches, you'll be able to see this green tick mark at the right corner of each boxes. Now finally, after you're done, click next. On the next page, enter your date of birth information. Type in your address into the address line 1. If available, type in an address into the line 2 option as well. If not, you can leave this box. Now, if you'd like to activate One Touch, simply click on this box right here. If not, leave it unchecked. Click on this next box to agree to the user's agreement and privacy statement of PayPal, and click on Agree and Create Account at the bottom. Now your account has been created. You can start shopping with PayPal by clicking on this Get Started button. If you'd like to send a payment, you can click on this next button under Send Payment. In order to shop on PayPal, you'll need to go ahead and link a card. Enter your credit card number into the first text box, and then select your card type. Type in the expiration date, enter the security code, and click on Link Card. That is how you'll be able to sign up or create a new account on PayPal. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.